Good morning, children. Today, class for the 8th class. Subject is biological science. Children, yesterday we started the third chapter, the world of microorganism, part 1. Okay, in that one we discuss about that one. There are different groups of microorganisms are there: bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa, viruses. Okay, today we are discussing some of the activities that are related to microorganism. Okay, so these activities are very important. Okay, try to listen carefully. Okay, children, and in while you writing activity, compulsory first you start with aim. Okay, Nana. Second, compulsory what equipment and materials you used while you performing the activity. You have to mention in the second step in the material required. So when you write the aim and the material, you get 1 mark. Next step, in third step, you write procedure. Okay, in procedure. For writing procedure, you get 2 marks, and finally write the result. Okay, for writing result, you get 1 mark. Totally, you get the 4 marks. Okay, it is the process of writing any activity or experiment. Okay, so today we are discussing one of the activity is nothing but observation of microorganism under the pond water. Okay, observation of microorganism under the pond water means చెరువు నీటిలో పెరిగే సూక్ష్మజీవుల గురించి. Okay, in pond sometimes the water is present in green color. We observe that one. Okay, try to collect that water. So in that one, so many type of microorganisms are present. Okay, so first aim. Aim is nothing but to observe the microorganisms in pond water. In pond water by using microscope. Okay, to observe the microorganisms in pond water by using microscope. Material required are nothing but pond water, one beaker, glass slide, glass slide, cover slip, glycerine solution, compound microscope. Material required: pond water, beaker, glass slide, cover slip, glycerine, compound microscope. Procedure: visit the nearest pond in your locality. అంటే మీ యొక్క దగ్గరలో ఉన్న చెరువు కానీ కుంటన దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళండి. Collect some amount of pond water in a beaker. in beaker. Care should be taken when you visit the pond. Care should be taken while you visiting the pond. Next, now take one glass slide. And place 1 or 2 drops of pond water on the glass slide. Okay, take glass slide and place 1 or 2 drops of pond water on the glass slide. Put a drop of glycerine on the slide. Next, Cover the slide with cover slip. Okay, cover the slide with cover slip. Observe the slide under the microscope. Observe the slide under the microscope. Okay, procedure. First, you visit the nearest pond in your locality. Collect some pond water in beaker. Care should be taken while you visiting the pond. Then you take one glass slide, add 1 or 2 drops of pond water, put a drop of glycerine on the slide, cover the slide with cover slip, observe the slide under the microscope. Result, we observe some algae species like Spirogyra, Edogonium. We also protozoa organisms such as amoeba. We observe some bacterial species also. Okay. After writing result, you have to draw the small diagram of amoeba, Spirogyra, Edogonium, and one bacteria diagram. Okay, simple diagrams. Okay, so this is the activity. Okay, observation of microorganisms and in pond water. Next, observation of fungi. Observation of fungi. What is the aim of this activity? Means nothing but aim to observe the fungi under the microscope. To observe the fungi under the microscope. Material required. Material required. One bread. Oka rotte mukka. Next, water, polythene cover, okay, bread, water, polythene cover, needle, what? Needle, glass slide, glycerine, cover slip, compound microscope. Compound microscope. Okay. Material required: bread, water, polythene cover, needle, glass slide, glycerine, cover slip, compound microscope. Procedure. First, you take a bread or any rotten vegetable. అంటే కుళ్ళిపోయిన కూరగా అయినా సరే. Okay. First you take one bread and sprinkle some amount of water on the surface of the bread. First you take one bread and sprinkle some amount of water on it. Now place this bread in polythene cover. Place this bread in polythene cover. Leave the bread for 4 to 5 days. After 5 days, we observe that a blackish substance will grow upon the surface of the bread. We observe that a blackish substance will grow on the surface of the bread. Carefully collect the black part of the bread and place it upon the glass slide with the help of needle. The help of needle. Okay, procedure. Listen. First, you take one bread Sprinkle some amount of water on the surface of the bread. Place this bread in a polythene cover. Leave the bread for 4 to 5 days. After 5 days, we observed that a blackish substance will grow on the surface of the bread. Collect some part of the black substance with the help of needle and place it upon the glass slide by adding a drop of water. Next, put a drop of glycerine on the slide. Put a drop of glycerine on the glass slide. Cover the slide with cover slip. Observe the slide under the microscope. Result, we observe that some thread-like structures under the microscope, and we also observe that some thread-like structures bears button-like structures that are called as sporangia, and some black spores also. So the fungus that is grows upon the surface of the bread is called as bread mold. MOULD. Bread mold. The fungus that is grown upon the surface of the bread is called as bread mold. Okay. When you observe the slide under the microscope, we observe some fine thread-like structures, and some fine thread-like structures bears button-like structures. These are called as sporangia. We also observe some black spores also. Okay, this fungus is nothing but bread mold or rhizopus. Okay, children, this is about that one observation of fungus under the microscope. Children, while you performing different type of activities, you need to follow some precautions. Okay, while you performing experiment, don't touch the black substance that grown upon the bread surface. Why? Because nothing but it will cause allergy, and it will cause some diseases also. So try to maintain some distance. Okay, and care should be taken while you performing this experiment, and try to wear gloves in your hands. Why? Because nothing but when you touch the surface of the, unfortunately sometimes black substance may be falls upon your hands. Okay, this is about that one observation of microorganisms in pond water, observation of fungus under the microscope. Okay, thank you children.